In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do backlinks on Jasper AI. By the end, you'll know how to give Jasper the exact URLs it should consider when drafting content, so your copy can naturally reference or support backlink goals without guesswork. Start by opening Jasper and landing on the home dashboard. You'll see the main prompt field front and center, which is great for starting fresh. If you're building backlinks into an existing piece, though, head to your recent work so you keep everything organized and consistent. Open recent projects to view your latest documents. Choose the project or document where you want Jasper to incorporate backlinks and click it to open. Once you're inside the document, click the title at the very top. This helps bring focus to your document settings and is a reliable way to access the controls we'll use next. Next, click Add Context. Think of context as the information Jasper will use to understand your topic, sources, and direction. For backlink work, this is where you'll attach specific web pages you want Jasper to consider, whether that's your own pages you're promoting or authoritative sources you want to reference for credibility. Click Add URL. This tells Jasper you're about to supply a live web page it can scan. Use full, clean URLs with the correct protocol and make sure the page is publicly accessible. Prioritize high-quality, on-topic links that strengthen your narrative and align with your SEO plan. If you're promoting your own page, use the canonical version and ensure the content on that page matches the angle you're writing about. Type the URL into the field. A quick tip: copy it directly from your browser to avoid typos and remove any unnecessary tracking parameters unless you specifically need them. Relevance matters more than volume here. One strong, well-aligned link typically outperforms a handful of loosely related ones. Click Attach to confirm. Jasper will fetch and read the page so it can reflect the information, terminology, and structure in your draft. After attaching, your prompts and document commands can ask Jasper to cover points supported by that source, which helps it propose natural places for references and on-page links. Keep anchor text reader-friendly and descriptive, and focus on where a link genuinely adds clarity or evidence. That's the whole flow. Open Jasper, go to Recent Projects, open your document, click the title, add context, add a URL, paste it, and attach. From here, you can continue writing in the same document, guiding Jasper with clear prompts while your chosen URLs inform the content. This keeps your backlink work purposeful, relevant, and easy to maintain across drafts.